If you want to learn how to get approved for cars like this, make sure to stay until the end of the video because I'll be showing you exactly how to get approved for any car you want. The car that you once thought was a dream is actually way more attainable than you thought it was. If you want to walk on any lot and leave with any car that you want, make sure to watch the entire video because I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. The first thing you must understand is that this is a game. And if you do not know that you're in the game, you're technically being a pawn played on a chess piece, and all these other motherfuckers is controlling all your thoughts, your actions, and everything that you have going on in your life. So the reason why you're doing what you're doing right now is because A, either you're unaware, or B, you just don't want to change your situation enough to actually do something about it. Now, this video is for the people who are unaware and they don't know that this is a game. The first stepping stool to everything in this world is credit. The country that we live in is built off of credit. If you have bad credit, you can't get a house, you can't get a car, you can't go to the bank and get any money, and if they do give you money, they're gonna make you pay 20% APR on it. High ass interest rates. You're gonna have to be paying damn near double the loan amount back to them. Yeah, have good credit. Please have good credit. If you don't have good credit, learn how to fix it. If you need to learn how to fix your credit, I have an ebook. It's only $44 and you can get it from the link in my bio. There are over 88 dispute templates that will help you delete everything from your credit report. Go dispute all the negative accounts and make sure that when you go to these banks, you have a very strong credit profile. Today's video is about how to get approved for any car that you want. Whenever you apply for an auto loan, you have your own car credit score. These banks are looking at something called comparable car credit. So if you've never had an auto loan on your credit and you're trying to get a $60,000 car, most likely they're gonna make you pay a high ass down payment and you're going to have a high interest rate. Here are some sauce to get around that. This is called relationship banking. The first thing you want to do is open up a bank account with a credit union. Add some money in there, like $1,000 or $2,000. And if they have a secured program, like a secured pledge loan or something like that, go grab that. Navy Fed has a good secured pledge loan. Go grab that with the money in your savings and then put it back. Pay 90 to 95% of it off the rip, and then keep that money in your savings account. If you keep making that monthly payment, your credit will go up and the Intel score within that company will go up as well. Then you want to get a secured card, but if your credit is good enough, you can go ahead and just get an unsecured card. But get you a credit card and then make some monthly payments on that as well. After you do that, you can wait about a month or 2 months and you can pre-qualify for their auto loans. So Navy Fed gives up to like $75,000. If you need help getting approved for that, make sure to book a consultation with me. Now, this cheat code right here, you can use this to never have to make a down payment again, and you can skip going from a starter car to getting a car that you really want. This is by using auto primary trade lines. An auto primary trade line is a trade line that reports to your credit as your primary trade line. So let's say that you buy auto primary trade line. What it will do is report to your credit as either closed and paid off or open with a very small balance between 5 and 10%. Not only will this add age and payment history, but this will show the banks that you're able to handle a loan of a large amount. So if you want $50,000 loan and you already paid off a car worth $50,000, they're more likely to give you another car value between $50,000 to $65,000. No money down.